Hey guys, so welcome to a new video. So this is basically a reset video. It is a late January reset, and what I mean by late is we are at January 19th. Sunday, January 19th at 1:03 p.m. in the afternoon. We got up probably like an hour ago, and I'm actually having some coffee because yeah, I need to get in the mood of resetting, cleaning, and all of that. By the way, I haven't eaten as well, but we're starting off with coffee first. Then we're gonna do a little errand in the home, some reset, then we stop to eat and continue. So I've been seeing so many videos on YouTube. Everybody's doing resetting for the new year, which is so positive and great. But what about persons like me who are resetting very late in the middle of the month? Like January is ending in less than 2 weeks, y'all. So oh my god, I'm so hot. So yeah, that's what this video is about. So on the agenda for reset, we need to clean the sheets on our bed. I actually cleaned the bathroom yesterday, so perfect. So bedroom needs to be clean, closet needs to be organized a little bit, entire house needs to be swept and mopped. And then for my bathroom area, I do have some organizers that I need to set up. And y'all, don't kill me for this, and I think I'm not the only person that exists right now. January 19th, today, my Christmas tree is still up. Anybody else? I'll wait. Just drop a comment down below. Please drop a comment down below, because I believe I'm not the only person that still has their Christmas tree up this late. Like, I refuse to believe that. I'm sweating. Anyways, hope you guys are hearing me. I know y'all saw the vision board, a party that I went to that was so positive and such a great way to start off the year. And yeah, we're going to jump into a reset for today. We're just going to finish our coffee first, then start with the bedroom area, and then we move throughout the house. Let's get into it. Basically finished with the bedroom, except we need to wipe, but that's gonna be left for last when we finish the entire unit. But yeah, everything is organized. The bed is looking good. I just the dresser. Actually need to clean the mirror. I haven't done that yet. And also just wipe the TV screen because there's a lot of fingerprints on it. But after, we're actually gonna take a break because I'm starving. I'm just gonna scramble 2 eggs, and I was thinking to cook, but that's definitely not gonna work out because it's after 2 o'clock right now. So we're just gonna take a break. I'm just gonna eat something, then we're gonna jump back into our cleaning. And then I'm thinking to get Island Grill for dinner later, or I'm probably gonna call my mom and find out if I can get some dinner from her. But yeah, let's jump back. Just gonna have something to eat right now, and then yeah, we're gonna start back with our cleaning. Alright, so we got some food to eat. I'm feeling a whole lot better. So we're just gonna move on to the bathroom. So I did buy a bathroom organizer. Here, I'll just link it down below in the Amazon storefront. I think I got around 5 items in this. You can use it for a towel, you know, towel holders, rag holders, whatever it is that you want to use with it. So when it came onto the bathroom, I was trying to decide, should I use paper towel or the regular cloth towel? And I'm like, if I do have guests over, they're gonna use the same hand, you know, towel that I'm using. So I figured I'm gonna use paper towel in the bathroom, which, you know, makes more sense, more hygienic and all of that. It's just that I'm going to be running out of paper towels a lot. So we're gonna have to buy more than what we normally buy monthly in the supermarket. But anyways, we're gonna move on, put up these organizers, and then after these, I need to put up the next organizer for inside the shower, where the shampoo, condition go, the bath soap, the bath scrub, whatever it is inside that. So we're gonna move on to that, and then Christmas tree, and then we're gonna sweep the rest of the area, wipe, and we're good to go for the reset for this video. So yeah.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, cause I just...
Hey guys, as I am literally just taking down the lights, a thought came to me, and you know, like I told you guys, this is like literally, I believe it's a late reset. But if you guys still not have a reset, you know, start your year off, you know, how you wanted it to. If it's starting off a little bit cracky, if it's starting off down, if it started with, you know, there's issues going on with it personally, worldwide, as you can see, you know, fires is going on in LA, in Jamaica, we have our own, you know, stuff going on as well. But there's nothing wrong with starting off late. There's nothing wrong with not knowing how you want your month to go to right now. Go, you know, the path how you want your month to go. And even if you know how you want your month to go and it's not going according to your plan, that is okay. That is literally okay, and you don't beat yourself up. Don't ever beat yourself up. And there's nothing wrong with starting late. There's nothing wrong with starting over. Just take your time. Just, you know, take your time.
Make it grow. Make it grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I fly away to a new space. You know.
Hey guys, so we are completely finished for the evening. I think I had a great reset today. You know, super glad that I got this done, which was absolutely needed to just start off the coming new month for February. And also February is my birthday. The date is 24th, so February 24th, and I'm heading closer to finishing my 30s. I won't tell you guys yet, but we're there, we're halfway there. Anyways, I know probably in the boxes you guys would have seen some boxes here. This is my business that I'm launching pretty soon for February. I haven't figured out the date it's in February, but it's going to be probably a week before Valentine's Day, so I can tell you guys what the business is about. It's my candle business. Prior to 2021, I had decided, because I love candles, I've always loved candles. I love the scent of it, I love the look of the packaging, I like everything. So in 2021, I did do some testing, and for some reason my candles just did not smell how I wanted it to. Forward to 2023, I tried a different wax, and it was okay, but it wasn't giving me the vibe. And then coming into 2024, the company that I purchased my candle supplies from, they had launched a brand new custom wax, and I was like, let me try this. And it worked. It gave me the scent, the smell that I wanted. It gave me the aroma that I wanted, and I've been testing all the way up until now. And yeah, we are going to be launching our new business in the next couple of weeks, so super excited about that. And yeah, so this is the end of our reset video. I hope you guys enjoy the reset video, and mostly just me cleaning. And resetting means just decluttering, cleaning your space, having a new clean frame of mind to say, okay, we're gonna tackle whatever it is that we need to tackle. And yeah, so I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will see you in another video.